Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and members of the audience, thank you for joining me today. I am here to present a revolutionary software solution that will transform the way households manage their cleaning services. Our innovative application, Maid Link, offers seamless connectivity to a network of professional cleaners, delivering a hassle-free and personalized experience like never before. Let's start with the problem statement. Finding reliable and affordable maids for cleaning services has always been a hassle, especially for those with busy schedules. People struggle with issues such as security concerns, lack of access, reliability, and time consumption. Maid Link addresses these challenges head-on by providing a reliable program that ensures the security of our clients through various measures. To ensure security, Maid Link conducts a small video interview with each worker, giving clients the opportunity to meet and assess them virtually. Additionally, we utilize technology to save time and streamline the process. We also conduct thorough background verifications to protect our clients, providing them with peace of mind. Now, let's delve into the business process flow of the Maid Link application. The flow typically involves several steps, ensuring a smooth experience for both customers and cleaners. From customer requests to matching them with suitable cleaners, to scheduling and completing the service, Maid Link simplifies the entire process, making it efficient and convenient. Moving on to customers and marketing strategy, our proposed solution, Maid Link, is a mobile-based application that offers unique features such as training and support for cleaners, a referral program, and a focus on building a trusted network of cleaning professionals. We aim to cater to the needs of our customers by providing a reliable and efficient service. To expand the reach of Maid Link, we have devised an effective marketing strategy. We target online shopping platforms where customers often require cleaning services. Influencer marketing plays a crucial role in reaching our target audience. Additionally, we optimize our online presence through search engine optimization (SEO), participate in local events to raise awareness, and engage in content marketing to provide valuable information and establish our expertise in the industry. Finally, let's touch upon the financial aspects of our business model. Maid Link operates on a commission-based revenue model, where we earn a percentage of each transaction. We charge a commission per hire to the worker and a commission per service availed to the customer. Additionally, we offer premium subscription services, such as advertisement and service boosting for workers, training services, and the option for customers to subscribe and save for their next order.